Hello there! If you've watched any of my science videos, you know that we do a lot of experiments with baking soda and vinegar because making volcanoes is super fun and super exciting. And since it's super snowy outside, we are going to do a special snow volcano, but we need to go outside for it. So here's what we're taking outside. We're taking a cup or glass, whatever, jar, anything you can find, and just stick some baking soda in there. And if you want your volcano to be extra foamy, add some dish soap to it. There we go, I squirt some in there. Okay, and you're gonna need some vinegar. Now, I find it more fun if our vinegar is a different color, so I'm going to make my vinegar blue. So I'm just gonna add about 2 drops of food coloring. And then I'm just kinda swish that around a little bit so that it turns blue. There we go. We have our blue vinegar and we have our baking soda. Let's go outside and make a snow volcano. As you can see, I put our cup in the snow, made like a little volcano around it. And here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That's exciting. Ah, there she goes. Fun times. If you want to have more fun, do multiple cups and multiple colors and see what happens.